Here y'all have it. I told y'all Pennsylvania is beautiful. Look at this. Look at this stone wall. Yup, there's some historical places in Pennsylvania. Got a lot of trees here. It's a lot of green here. It's beautiful. And the grass is green here in Pennsylvania, y'all. I love nature. If anybody loves nature, let's get this video to 1,000 views and 300 likes. Now, when you are here in Pennsylvania, you got to be careful. You see that there? That's poison ivy. A lot of people don't catch that, which I happen to be one. I do not catch poison ivy. Look at the spider. He enjoying that poison ivy. Yep. But Pennsylvania is beautiful. Now, when you see like down trees like that, what you could do is bring your pickup truck or a trailer and get the old wood and go home and have a campfire. If you're into campfires, look at that beautiful sun cutting through them trees. Let it shine. Another thing we got here, dandelions. Look how beautiful those are. I'm gonna show y'all what we used to do with these. Check this out. Now that's what we used to do with dandelions. We would blow them. And if blowing them doesn't work, check this out. We're gonna do it again in slow motion. Hang on. Back again, and I'm here to tell y'all that Pennsylvania is beautiful, like I said. See, they mark off these trees. I guess it's a property line. I'm not sure. See the tag on it? But if you look down there, it gets a lot of water that runs down off of this hill. So would it be some little flooding sitting down in that little bucket down there? I call that a bucket. That whole bed down there, water will fill in there, and then the water that can escape will escape down there to the road. But you see that little drain right there? Actually, it's not little. They put a grate over it because water goes down into that sewer, and that would suck you down in there, or anybody. So that's why they got that lid down there. But that fills up with water down there. And whatever doesn't go in there flows out into the street if we have a heavy rain. This little area here, what they call is Squirrel Hill. It's really nice. That is Forbes and Braddock Avenue is all the way down there. That's where the bridge fell. And they're actually rebuilding that bridge now as we speak. And I'm going to show you something real quick, and then I'm going to capture something else for y'all. If you look over there, Pittsburgh has these scooters that you can rent. 1, 2, 3, 4. You put your credit card information in and then activate the scooters, and then you could drive them. You could drive them on the road. It's pretty fun. You just be careful. Comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, hit the bell for notification. So here it is. I'm crossing the street down here and on Liberty Avenue, and I'm going to go get me something to drink. Like that's they put them new houses up right there, but you got to be able to afford them. I'm going here to get me something to drink. So here it is. I just left the gas station. You can see that right there, $4.39, and that was this joint here. I didn't play my numbers, but I normally do. But I didn't this time, but I guess it's all good. Yeah, I ain't play my numbers. Walk with me. I'm going to talk with y'all for a minute.